Hello there, my name is Martin Cobbold. I'm chef owner of the Chef MLK School of Cooking in Johannesburg. This week we have seen our contestants to make some beautiful scones. Now let me show you the way I make scones and a couple of little tricks with it as well. Okay, let's start with the scone dough. Your flour, we take some Clover unsalted butter. Okay, and then we've got some dried cranberries, and of course you can use any type of dried fruits. And of course we got some white sugar as well. Okay, you just take your flour, you sift your flour through, then you add your sugar. Then you take 120 grams of your unsalted Clover butter, and I'm going to be grating it into the flour and the sugar mixture, and then you just go in there with your hands, just work the flour straight into the butter. That's what you're looking for. It's like wet maize meal. That's basically more or less the texture what you're looking for. Okay, we've got some Clover fresh cream, and then I always like to mix in my scone mixture a little bit of sour cream inside there as well. So we're going to put the sour cream in there, and then I've got an orange. We're going to put some orange zest inside, and of course we got an egg. I'd like to get that orange fruity flavor inside there. You need 1/3 cup of sour cream. Very nice, that's 1/3. Also 1/3 cup of fresh cream. There we go. One whole egg goes straight inside. A beautiful consistency. Okay, and I'm going to work with my spoon just to work it through. I'm going to be going into with my hands again. It's not a bread dough, it's a scone dough, so you've got to be much more gentle with it so you don't beat it out completely. You want it to be nice and fluffy. So in that stage now you're adding some of your cranberries inside there. You're mixing your cranberries into the dough. All right, that's the texture you're looking for, very nice and smooth. So roll it out or just pat it out. You don't even need a rolling pin. That's how nice and soft and delicate that dough is. And you just... So my oven is preheated at 180 degrees, 15 to 18 minutes into the oven, perfect. There we go. Beautiful. Just stack them nicely like this. One thing we must never ever forget, whipped cream. And then of course we're gonna put some more orange zest on there, just scone cakes. Don't forget, you could win 1,000 Rand cash daily. Simply buy any 2 Clover dairy promotional products and follow the on-pack instructions. See you next time. Cheers, goodbye.